How to turn off autosave my story snaps on Snapchat. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page. As you can see right here, go to the top corner and click on your profile like this. Now go to the top and click on this icon here in the top corner. Scroll down until you find the memories option and click on memories. Now, as you can see right here, you will find many options and go down to autosave my story snaps. Click on it and click don't autosave. And everything will be done. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.